Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring both devices have power. Low battery causes pairing failures. Once the iPad is unlocked, open Settings and enable Bluetooth so it can scan. Now press and hold the Beat Solo 3 power button for about 5 seconds. This forces pairing mode and makes the LED blink. You're doing this because the iPad looks only for discoverable devices. Making the beats visible is the first actionable step that moves you from setup into actual connection. Once the Beats appears in the Bluetooth list, tap its name to initiate pairing. You'll see a spinning icon while they negotiate a link. Make sure you stay within a few feet, avoid interference, and keep other Bluetooth devices off to reduce contention. If the iPad requests confirmation or a PIN, accept or enter 4 zeros. Most Beats use a simple handshake. After establishing a secure connection, audio routing switches to the headphones, and you can test by playing a short clip to verify both left and right channels. You finish by confirming stable audio and adjusting both iPad and headphone volume for comfort. If sound drops or only one side works, first select Forget this device on the iPad's Bluetooth entry and repeat pairing. That clears stale profiles. When problems persist, reset the Beats by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then attempt pairing again. Make sure the iPad runs a recent iOS version because compatibility updates fix protocol issues. This combination of steps resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.